Welcome to my channel. My name is Silynthia, and I'm a mom who's trying to get her family to financial freedom. I have a part-time job. I also have an Etsy shop with SilynthiaBudgets and blogs. I'll link our shop down below, as well as the freebie for the month of December. Also, I did join a collaboration of ladies where we are supporting each other's YouTube channels. So that's been a lot of fun, and I will link those ladies as well. Silynthia, what the heck are we doing today? Well, I have a Christmas binder cash stuffing, and as you know, I've been pushing as hard as I possibly can to get this other MetaQuest into my palms, and it's been such a rough ride, but I have good news. So we may be fulfilling our envelope to actually go ahead and purchase that other MetaQuest for my other child, and I'm really excited for them because they have all these plans to play together. They've always had to take turns with the other one, which that one did clunk out. So we are going to still work on making sure we save at a later date or sometime work on getting that one back in commission so I can play as well. So we're not getting rid of it, but we have to do some work on it. But anyway, we're going to go ahead, pull our money from our savings challenges, as well as my kiddo's grandmother gave them money to go towards their MetaQuest. So we're going to go ahead and pull. That was $100 from Grandma, and she said, yes, get them whatever, get them whatever their MetaQuest. And I said, oh, that's perfect, because I think when we came together last, it was 100 and something that I needed. These are the savings challenges that I completed recently. So if you're interested in seeing more about these savings challenges, feel free to check out those videos. They were a lot of fun. However, I am going to put my savings challenges into my completed envelope. And then the money we saved from savings challenges is 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 61. So I have $161 here that I am going to stuff into my envelopes. So where we're going to start is the MetaQuest, because I'm still working on my PTO, but we need to get this MetaQuest fully funded. Now, let me just grab my calculator. All right, I made sure to have it nearby because this is going to be one of those things where, okay, so I need $280. And then we are subtracting the 153 we already have in our envelope. Okay, this is so exciting. So we need 127. So here's 100, 120, 25. Okay, so that's 126. And let's see if we can make some change here. Yes, we can. So we'll leave this dollar here, right? So that's not messing it up at all. And then we'll take this 3 out and put 5. So we should have 130 here. 1, 20, 25, 30. Yes. Yes. Okay. This is so awesome. This should be $280. Now, just for the record, when I go online to purchase the MetaQuest, I have a discount for my job, so I use that discount code, and then also it is $280 and some $284 and some change. But what I've been doing is using my buffer, and what I'm going to do, I think, is pay back the $8. $4 from the other MetaQuest and $4 from this MetaQuest, and that will be the total that I'm going to put in this envelope. But let me just make sure this is 280. So we have 100, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80. It is. It is. Okay, so I am going to actually mark that here, that we added $127 to make it 280. Plus, we're going to take $8 from here to cover the 288, to cover the other $4 from the other MetaQuest, oops, and then $4 from this MetaQuest. So let's go ahead and snag that, so that way I can make sure I'm keeping proper amounts. 5, 6, 7, 8. My brain shut off. My brain went to sleep. Okay, so we have $8 more here. So I'm going to go ahead and pull this off to the side, and we will make sure to purchase that MetaQuest. Let me just put a little paper clip here. And you guys, I just want to thank you all so much for coming back to watch my videos. I know a lot of what we're going to see in the near future for my PTO will definitely be because of you guys running my videos and commenting and connecting with me and coming back to see this crazy that's taking place over here. I truly do appreciate it. So, you know what? I'm just going to keep that in there until I'm actually ready. I was going to zero it out, but I'm not actually. I have to go, you know, take that money to the bank and yada yada, all that jazz. Okay, so this one had the 380. This one had 380. This one needed 237. So I have my pin here. So we can go ahead and add these funds to my PTO. And let's see here. So we have 237. Oh, I had another idea. Do I have enough for that idea? I might have to wait. Okay. Back to the regular scheduled program. We needed 237, but we're going to go ahead and put 10, 15, 20, 25, $26 minus 26 equals minus 26. So now we are at 211. That's how much I need to fully fund my last week of PTO. And I need to get these smaller bills out of here, don't I? Let's see if we can make some change. 2, 4, 6. You know what? No, because I'm not ready to spend it. Gosh, this is why recording is such a task for me, because I am like squirrel. I see a squirrel and then I go off and do some other stuff. But let's just see. My third week of my PTO has 20, 40, 60, 81, 120, 130, 35, 40, 45. So that way I don't mess myself up here. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. I have $169 in my third week of PTO, which is fantastic because that means we're that much closer to fully funding this last week. For those of you who are new or don't know what's going on with my PTO, I did decide to take some time off for Christmas to be with my kiddos while they're out of school. So my job does require that you take a minimum of 3 weeks if you don't have the time saved. So I do get paid time off, but I don't have the time saved. So it's like, if you don't have it, you have to follow these specific rules, which requires you take a minimum of 3 weeks off. So that's why I'm taking 3 weeks off instead of 1, because that was my original hope, was that I could just take 1 week off and then hang with my kids. But anyway, that's it for now, guys. I want to thank you all so much for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. All of the things that can keep us connected. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.